Bloating is a common discomfort that many people experience, and it can be caused by various factors such as overeating, gas production, water retention, or underlying digestive issues. While it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional to address the root cause of chronic bloating, making changes to your diet can help alleviate symptoms. Here are some of the best foods to eat if you are bloated all the time. 1. Hydrating foods. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health and can help prevent water retention, which may contribute to bloating. Foods with high water content, such as cucumber, watermelon, and celery, can help keep you hydrated and reduce bloating. 2. Ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties and can help soothe the digestive system. Consuming ginger tea or adding fresh ginger to meals can aid in digestion and reduce bloating. 3. Peppermint. Peppermint has been known to relax the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, promoting smoother digestion. Peppermint tea or adding fresh peppermint leaves to water can be beneficial for alleviating bloating. 4. Probiotic-rich foods. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria that support a healthy gut microbiome. Foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi contain probiotics that can help balance the gut flora and improve digestion, potentially reducing bloating. 5. Papaya. Papaya contains enzymes, such as papain, that aid in the digestion of proteins. Including papaya in your diet may help break down food more efficiently and reduce the likelihood of bloating. 6. Bananas. Bananas are rich in potassium, which helps regulate fluid balance in the body. They are also easy to digest and can be a gentle option for those experiencing bloating. 7. Lean proteins. Opt for lean protein sources such as poultry, fish, tofu, or legumes. These proteins are easier to digest and may be gentler on the digestive system, reducing the likelihood of bloating. 8. Quinoa. Quinoa is a gluten-free grain that is high in protein and fiber. It provides sustained energy and is generally well tolerated, making it a good choice for those prone to bloating. 9. Herbal teas. Herbal teas like chamomile or fennel can have soothing effects on the digestive system, helping to relieve bloating and discomfort. 10. Asparagus. Asparagus is a natural diuretic that can help flush out excess water and reduce bloating. It also contains prebiotics, which support the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. 11. Cucumber. Cucumbers have a high water content and contain antioxidants that may help reduce inflammation. Including cucumber in salads or as a snack can contribute to overall hydration and digestive comfort. 12. Oats. Oats are a good source of soluble fiber, which can aid in regular bowel movements and prevent constipation, a common cause of bloating. It's important to note that individual responses to foods vary, and what works for one person may not work for another. Additionally, if you are experiencing persistent bloating, it is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional to rule out any underlying medical conditions. Making gradual changes to your diet and monitoring how your body responds can be a helpful approach to finding relief from chronic bloating.